A new monthly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. After installing this update, the device gets upgraded to the March security patch. The size of this update is 318.27 MB. I have already started downloading it, and once it complete, I'll go ahead and install the update. After installing this update, I'll share with you that any issues I noticed after using it for some days. This is going to be a quick and fast information video, so stick with me guys. Alright, the update took around 5 minutes to complete. Make sure you do not press any buttons while the update is in progress. Coming to the changes after the update, there are no visible changes. All the applications, files and remaining data are intact. After using the mobile for some days, the battery backup feels the same as before, and I didn't encounter any major issues on my device. Yes, it does warm up a little bit while updating, but it's nothing major to panic. Next, no green line issues, no glitches and no lags. So whether you are wondering if you should update or not, yes, you can safely update guys. There is no problem in that. That's the video. I hope you found this useful. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe and click the bell icon next to it for more quick updates. I have added all the related product links and review videos of the S24 FE in the description box. If you are interested in protecting your mobile phone, definitely check them out.